Go to www.selfieym.com/register. Add your name. Select if you are a company or an influencer. Add your email ID. Add your password. Confirm your password. Check I am not a robot. Check terms and conditions. And click register. Congratulations, your account has been created. An activation link has been sent to you to verify your email address. Go to your Gmail and open the email and click Verify Email Address. Now create your account. Select gender. Add username. And phone number. You can hide your phone number. Click Update. Your details have been updated successfully. Now click on Create Profile. Add a profile picture. Choose File. Select Photo, click Open. Write about yourself, like what you do and where are you from. Select your category. Add your age. Add your date of birth. Select city. Add your minimum fees. Add your skills and expertise in one word, for example, making vlogs, unboxing, etc. Add your previous client's name and click Enter. Now connect your social media accounts. And go to Add Shoutout Price. Give your first package name, for example, Basic Package. Add package price. And mentions what services you will provide in this package, for example, one reel or story. Click Update. Give your second package name, for example, Standard Package. Add package price. Click Update. Give your third package name, for example, Premium Package. Add package price. And mentions what services you will provide in this package. Click Update. And you are done. Now, click on Apply to Jobs. Get our basic package for free now. By simply sharing this image, by following the given steps.